crew members and passengers. This is D-Life back with another one. Another one. That's right. Today we are looking at Louveter, and you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. That's right. We are about to jump in and create some more black holes to earn that AVAX through LVT passively. That is right. Creating that black hole with the 150,000 LVT minimum barrier per entry to earn that daily AVAX. That's what I am talking about. We are going to be adding, plus the black hole reward pool contract is now live. Earn that AVAX passively simply for holding your black hole for that minimum of 150,000 LVT locked. And that is locked. So I'm going to take advantage of this. This is not financial advice. This is just D-Life showing you his voyage in this DeFi ocean, sailing over here from shore to shore, sea to sea, and looking for those passive income opportunities. Make sure DYOR and only put what you could afford to lose in any project. Let's jump into getting our black hole and starting to earn that AVAX with LVT 2.0. But before we get into LVT 2.0, thank you so much to our crew members and our subscribers. Always got to shout you guys out. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, leaving comments, leaving likes. If you are new, click the bell button, become a subscriber. I would appreciate that. Choose all so you can get the future video updates like tonight's video. Let's now jump into Louveter 2.0. All right, so we have got our wallet connect, and now we will jump into our dashboard. So this should be quick and easy. I haven't done this in a long time, so let's get to it. We already have our Trader Joe site up, so then you will want to go and click buy LVT. Once you remember to have the AVAX network also added to your MetaMask. So if you don't know how to do that, I will definitely do a little video on that. Just leave it in the comments, or I'll just leave the link to get the information to connect and add that network to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see right now, this is our pending rewards. We got our elements, which are our NFTs, and we are earning 105 LVT per day, which is about 1 cent per day. True passive income. And on our elements, we got 17,000 locked. Alrighty, so right now, these are our elements. We got the 1 meteorite and we got 1 dark matter. So let's jump into the black holes. And these are our black holes here. So we will be adding our, let's see, what are we going to call it? We're going to call it, I guess, the PDL node number 2. So we'll be adding our new black hole with that 150,000 LVT locked, loaded, and ready to earn those passive AVAX rewards. Let's do this. So here we go. As you can see, your accumulated AVAX rewards are 0, but that won't be 0 for a while. So once you've went into Trader Joe, you can go ahead and click I understand. This is adding the LVT 2.0 contract to your Trader Joe site. And so that is nice and smooth. You don't have to go and look for the contract. It's already embedded in the dApp there, so that is very convenient. Shout out to the Drip Farm coming in. And let's just X that out. Oh man, I was supposed to accept that update. I messed up there. But all right, okay. So if you tuned into today's Miner Fridays video, and I told you that in the Ruby Miner that I wasn't telling you what I was going to do, well, guess what? That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to collect this AVAX rewards. We're going to use that AVAX to go ahead and get some LVT. So shout out to Ruby Miner for supporting today's video and allowing us to be able to earn that AVAX over here passively with Louverture 2.0. So let's go ahead now and collect this AVAX. I want to say this is my second time ever collecting with Ruby Miner, and we've been in Ruby Miner going on 7 weeks now, so shout out to the miner. Okay, so they're going to charge us a gas fee of 004 AVAX. No problem, I will definitely take that. Let's make sure we got 0.01. Okay, so if we have 0.01 and they take it away 0.04, we should have 0.014, I believe. That's how much we should have. But just want to make sure we have enough to get that 150,000 LVT. So let's confirm that. Let's see how much our balance is now. We've got 0.045 AVAX. Let's get a drum roll. Boom. All right, great. So now we have 0.061 AVAX. So we was at 0.4 and now we are 0.6. So we definitely could do about, I would say, 0.015 in AVAX for LBT. So let's go ahead now back to Trader Joe and let's see if we do 0.015. How much LBT is that going to give us? Minimum received is 3,586 LBT. So I definitely have the wrong information over here. So 24,000. So crew members and passengers, look like I had the wrong information that I did. I gotta blame CoinGecko. So you gotta have a minimum of 150. So that's 0.7 AVAX. Pretty much 0.65 AVAX. So we are nowhere near having that AVAX like how I did the calculation last week over here in CoinGecko. And I was so shocked to see that 150,000 AVAX was not AVAX, LVT was going to cost that little amount in AVAX. So let's jump on over to my portfolio. Let's pull up LVT. And yeah, so I definitely was confused. I had to be confused 150,000, or either this confused me. Yeah, see, this isn't calculating correctly. So it's going to cost $15.17 for 150,000 LVT. And right now, unfortunately, we don't even have enough for that because we only have 0.06. So even if we did 0.06, we'd only get 14,000 LVT. So got to get some AVAX in the wallet. Dang. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. I really want to get that 150,000 LVT and start earning that AVAX. So this will definitely be a part 2. Won't call it an epic fail, just call it a technical difficulty, because in that video, yeah, maybe I put the point and that's why I got just a few pennies. So I was definitely wrong. That's the only thing I could say. And this is the true figure, 450,000 LVT. So to get to 0.6, we're going to have to do a lot of collecting and a lot of compounding over here on Ruby Mine. So might have to break the LVT, the AVAX bank. Might have to break that AVAX piggy bank and get in here. You know, $15 is not a lot, and Definitely probably have to look at some of the other projects that I have in the engine room that may be earning some AVAX that I could possibly sell some of those rewards and get some more AVAX over here to get into LVT without having to without having to break the AVAX piggy bank. We'll see how that goes. So stay tuned for part two, getting that black hole. This is not an epic fail, but just a technical difficulty on my research, and that is why you have to DYOR and definitely make sure, take your time, stay safe, and know exactly what you're doing and how to do it before you get into it. So this is DI's first attempt into getting back into the black hole and getting those AVAX rewards. The new way to earn AVAX with Louveter 2.0, locking up those LBT tokens. And stay tuned for that. I will be coming back. This is D Life here. Have a great night. Make sure to stay safe. And my greatest apologies on this error. I didn't know. I thought that I was going to be able to jump in here and do this live and be all excited to earn AVAX on, passively on autopilot with LVT. But got to re up and get some AVAX in the wallet. Stay tuned for part two. T Life, over and out. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, click the bell, all that great stuff. Stay tuned for episode 2, part 2.